Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Chef Christy, and it is time to cook. Now today I have another 4-ingredient dinner for you. I am making a Caesar chicken. This is so good, guys. I am always looking for recipes that are fast, easy, and delicious this time of year, and this one is perfect. The chicken is tender, flavorful, and moist, and this couldn't be any easier. So let me show you what you will need to make this Caesar chicken. Yeah, because you're going to want to make it. I just know it. So I have 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Then you will need 1 cup of a Caesar salad dressing, a half of a cup of sour cream, and then 1.5 cups of shredded Parmesan cheese. All right, so I'm just going to measure out 1 cup of this salad dressing. That was half a cup, so I need 1 more. And then I'm going to need a half of a cup of this sour cream. So just stir this until it's combined. All right, so then I'm gonna take my Parmesan cheese, and I'm telling you, I think this almost just looks like 1.5 cups. So I'm not really gonna measure this, but I'm gonna take some of this Parmesan cheese and I'm gonna sprinkle on top of my chicken. And then I'm gonna pour this Caesar salad dressing and sour cream mixture over top. And I'm going to spread this out. And then I'm going to sprinkle the rest of this Parmesan cheese, or 1 cup, on top of the sour cream mixture. So then I'm going to bake this uncovered in a 375-degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until that chicken is completely cooked through and the cheese is nice and golden brown and everything is hot and bubbly. So the Caesar chicken is all done, and I'm going to serve it alongside some buttered angel hair pasta and some broccoli. This is so good, guys. Let me show you. Oh goodness, that is so delicious. Let me get a little bit of pasta. This makes such a wonderful weeknight meal. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.